All right, we got a Tesla Model 3 today. The rocker panel is got crushed in pretty good. So we're gonna be getting that out and repainting the rocker panel, and I'll just get you a close-up of the damage that we're gonna be working on. All right, so here it is. So it looks to me right now like this plastic piece is attached correctly, but that this is pushed in. So I think when we get this out, it should go back flush. I mean, there's a little bit of damage right here, but it should be able to get it back flush for the most part. And we're gonna try to keep it below this line. If not, we'll just blend up here, and I'll keep you posted on the progress. Okay, so we got it pulled out and filled it up so that it's feeling really good. So we're gonna start priming now. I might do one more skim coat of the fill repair just to get it nice and smooth before we start priming. So I'll probably do that first, and then we'll start getting the primer on. And but I'm really happy with how it came out. So I think this is gonna be a really good job. It's gonna turn out great. So we'll get going. Okay, here's a before and after of the damage before we got the dent out and did the fill repair. And as you can see, it came back pretty much flush, just like I had hoped. So we're on to the next step. All right, it's all primed. Just gonna finish papering it off, mix the paint, and paint it, and then clear it. All right, we looked up the color code, mixed the paint, and painted it, and cleared it. So here is after it's been painted and cleared, and it turned out really good. There was a small area that's not really showing up in the pictures, but I set it up with the customers to buff it later. So we'll have a buffing appointment after it dries. All right, we're all done. Got the gap as good as I could. So it turned out really good, and customer's on its way. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. I hope that video was helpful for you guys. One thing I wanted to make a note of for this one was I had my friend who is a body shop guy, his name is Marcelino. He helped me get that out. He had tools that I don't have, and he helped me get that out and get it flush. And so I just recommend that you guys kind of have a network like that kind of shore up your weaknesses. Call those guys. I have dent guys in my phone. I have detail guys, interior guys, all in my phone that I can call so that I never have to tell my customer no. I can recommend the best people out there. So that's one thing that I highly recommend that you guys do, is just have a great network of great guys that you can refer your customers to, and also who can help you on a job for something that maybe you would have said no to otherwise. So that's just a little tip that I've found very helpful in my business. So until next time guys, thanks again. Okay, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to go to greenrecontraining.com. We got lots of resources there to help you guys along your way. And if you have damage to your car and you would like a quote, go to greenreconditioning.com. Thanks again.